Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Today is very proud day for us to see UAE flag alongside with the Kazakh flag in both vessels. Liwa and Taraz, two ancient cities, represent our two nations and how we are cooperating with each other. Inshallah, more vessels would come serving in the Caspian Sea, carrying the wealth of Kazakhstan in terms of oil, and inshallah more and more to come, and more celebration. We will be together as one nation. Thank you very much.
Это будет единственный танкер между вот этой компанией или будет расширение?
Is it just the first tanker or we expect an increasing?
Absolutely. I mean, these two tankers, they are the first two tankers, but many will be in the pipeline as well. Some will be, inshallah, constructed also in Kazakhstan, and this is our intention. Kazakh fleet will be on board those vessels. Kazakh officers will be serving, and captains and engineers.
Чем привлек Актаульский порт вашу компанию? Какие инвестиционные проекты?
Why you decided to come to Kazakhstan and develop and grow business here in this country?
Kazakhstan and UAE have been always a true partnership, and because of our wise leadership, they always encourage local companies in UAE to explore opportunities in Kazakhstan and also flourish together with Kazakh companies.
Да, еще один вопрос, что касается того, будет ли арабская сторона своих сотрудников, свой персонал привозить.
What is your plan to share your experience in Kazakhstan, professional experience?
Yeah.
Some people will come, ADP staff will come to help grow the business here in Kazakhstan.
For us, of course, I mean, we are working as with the Kazakh company as one company. We are also, our maritime academy will be training the Kazakh people. We already selected the first batch of trainees from Kazakhstan who will be trained in our facility in Abu Dhabi. Yeah. We are building on each one strength. I mean, the strength of Kazmunagaz, the strength of Abu Dhabi Ports Group, and this is how we are starting this a solid cooperation in the Caspian Sea. But Caspian Sea only is the beginning. There will be a lot of cooperation globally. So we will have vessels in the Caspian Sea. Inshallah, very soon we will have vessels also in the open oceans as well. Thank you.
Есть ли у вас вопросы? Я задала вопросы по поводу международного опыта, какой внедряют, кого из специалистов будут приглашать или нет. И вообще, чем интересен Казахстан для Арабских Эмиратов?
Полностью ответил, да?
Все ответил.
Ну тогда понятно.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.